Justice Univesrity, the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, and the Chancellor of this University, Honorable Mr. Justice Gupta, Senior Judge Allahabad High Court and the Executive Chairman of this University, distinguished guests, Registrar, my faculty, and dear students. Well, I'm extremely delighted to welcome you all on this occasion. This evening, when just now our legal aid unit has been inaugurated, and it's indeed my honor to welcome the chief guest of the occasion, Honorable Mr. Justice Univesrity, who after dealing with the 4 cases the whole day is so graciously having this bench also as the esteemed chief guest. Now, this speaks a lot of what we are saying, a spirit, exemplary spirit for the advancement of this MLU. In the realm of Indian judiciary, His Lordship stands as a tall figure, known for his profound legal acumen. With his charming and adorable smile, His Lordship is the epitome of grace and elegance. We are really grateful that His Lordship has spared his valuable time to come here for my students and for all of us. And sir, we extend you a very hearty welcome, a big round of applause to your I'm privileged to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Gupta, the Senior Judge and the Executive Chairman of UP State Legal Services Authority, SALSA as we call it. After the day-long judicial work, His Lordship's energetic indulgence in this evening's program is really quite stimulating and encouraging for all of us. His Lordship's participation in very many committees, including this one, UP State Legal Services Authority. I think the participation is playing an important role in shaping the legal policies of the day. Right from the beginning of my appointment as a Vice Chancellor, I have been immensely benefited with the deep concerns of His Lordship, his concerns for this, what we can say, baby NLU. A perfectionist in his approach, His Lordship is the embodiment of honesty and integrity. Sir, we extend you a very warm and cordial welcome. I'm pleased to welcome the Member Secretary, the Registrar General, Salman Shahji, and all other officials, these ladies here, who have come here, who are going to be the resource persons for this training program, and to each one of you here, a very warm welcome. Well, if someone asks the academia, what is that one change which they want for the existing legal education, then one of the prominent answers would be that the legal education has to be more and more experiential. So it's here in this context that the importance of the inauguration of this legal aid clinic can be best comprehended. That's another kind of a thing that it is also the mandate of the Bar Council of India that every law school should have its legal clinic, functioning legal clinic. And this clinic, which has just now been inaugurated by His Lordship, will act to bridge the gap that exists between what the law promises to offer and what the harsh realities of the legal world are here. So the students, when you will be working here in this particular clinic, you will find an opportunity to apply whatever you are learning in the classes, your legal mind, to the how they are applicable to the, I will say, tough this world. And this will also expose you to the practicalities of your profession. And more so, if after 5 years or maybe degree of the LLB, you aspire to go abroad, particularly USA, for doing your masters, then having this kind of experience on your CV will definitely give you the edge here. And it is here that whatever activity we will involve you in a lot of activities. I was just asking my teacher convener that to prepare the calendar of your activities. Why? Because when Honorable Chief Justice and Executive Chairman are coming here, they will definitely ask us thereafter that what activities have been taken in this particular clinic. So we are planning that one also, and you will be involved on those the activities throughout the year. And here you will find that learning is really fun, and whatever you will learn, you are going to the ground and interacting with those grassroots people, you will never ever forget that. Why? Because this is, again I am saying, a different kind of learning which is always there. I happen to go to the Tihar jail more than once, and when you will be one, because one of the sessions is on no visit to the session. You must have seen the schedule. So there is a visit also. So you will have a mixed experience. You will find some of the cells are quite filthy, overcrowded, pathetic. But then you will also find some of the interesting features. But because when I have taken from BU the students, we have visited the women's cell. And the women's cell, there was a beauty parlor. So we just wondered, do they use it? What do they use it? So we asked them and we were told, oh yes, the evenings, the female, they use it when their husbands come to see them, or they have to go to the court dates. Not only that, you will find for employers that there is, if a prisoner is a young woman having a baby below 5 years of age, then also the facilities are there. And all these efforts happen to be ever since, I think, from the enactment of the NALSA Act, and whatever you interacted with the officials, the kind of hard work that they have been doing here. I remember another visit again to the same day, the hard day. It was the students had played the Nukkad Natak. That we were talking about this also, with this that they can be involved in that also, and we can have one of the activities also on this. So that Nukkad Natak which my students, our students have played there, also involved some of the stanzas of the songs, Bollywood songs. So the scene was like this. It was an open space, and many of the prisoners were sitting, and some of the prisoners were standing, and the students were performing this Nukkad Natak. So at the end, one of the prisoners who was standing there in the Middle Ages came. It is 96 or so. So I was so junior in that particular group. He asked the permission to sing, and my senior teacher has given the permission to sing, and he really sang this particular song. Was also one kind of a learning, at least for the students, that when the liberty is taken away from a person, how painful it happens to be. But then he was there not without any fault. So better not to do any kind of a thing which puts the people here. Can I take a little? Okay, that day I was talking to the Lordship, the Chief Justice, that in 2014, when Legal Aid Clinic was inaugurated at any university, Justice Secretary of the Supreme Court has inaugurated that, और उन्होंने हमें एक कहानी सुनाई थी अपने inauguration address में. So for my students, I would like to repeat वो वाली story आपके लिए. बहुत छोटी सी story है. It goes like this. There was an old man जो हर सुबह सैर के लिए निकलता था on the beach. So one day there happened to be a big storm, and when he went to the beach, he found that the shore was full of starfish. Littered with starfish here and there, wherever he could see. But then he had seen one small young boy coming from a distance who was consistently doing one thing. He was bending down, picking something and throwing. Bending down, picking something and throwing. So when that little boy approached this old man, see old man and young boy, that also has some meaning. So old man, the old man asked the boy, what is that which you are doing? He says, can't you see that the high tide has thrown them out here on the shore and they can't reach to the water on their own. And therefore, I am putting them back to the water. By saying it, he continued doing this. Then the old man says, oh, there are tens of thousands of fish. What difference will it make, whatever you are doing? But he still continued. Again he went down, picked up a starfish and threw it in the ocean and said, it did make a difference for this one. So the thing is that in the life, many times we are confronted with a situation, particularly when there happens to be any problem happens to be a very messy social problem, like corruption, like gender issues, so on and so forth. And we say that what difference will it make? We may not change the whole system, we may not change the whole world, but whatever little things we can do, I think it's worth doing. Now the last thing which I would like to share with you is of 2007 when I happened to visit the prison under one of the projects. And what happened, as soon as we were a team of 8 people and it was led by the J1, that is the executive chairman of that particular state and the people of the Assam. So as soon as we entered the prison, our executive chairman spotted one boy there. Young boy. So he asked me, who is this young boy? And then he was informed that he is a prisoner. So our team, again I was just one of the junior persons in that team. So the seniors were talking about how can this boy be here? This is a criminal. And then he had to do that. So immediately this cause was taken. And before we left the particular prison, it was made sure that this particular boy should have been out from here and should be put at a place where he should be. Of course, he was not, scot-free, but of course at a place where whatever the system is there. So our visit did make some of the changes. It was not only that we are going there and doing all these kind of things. At least the life of that particular boy has changed. So it is a correlation that was a story in the books. But this is a real instance which has happened here. So, not taking much time, whosoever has said it so well that God helps those who help themselves, but God blesses those who help others. And I really wish that you stay blessed. So I wind up my address. आज तो टाइम लग गया, वो टाइम में नौकरी खाने से ज़्यादा हो गया. I'm really sorry, sir. I apologize for that. And I wind up my address by again welcoming our chief guest, the guest of honor, and you all. Thank you.